Staking has become a popular buzzword in the world of cryptocurrency. But what exactly is staking, and can it really make you rich? In this article, we'll delve into the basics of staking and explore how you can potentially profit from this exciting new trend. What is staking? Staking is the process of holding cryptocurrency in a wallet or a specific staking platform to support the operations of a blockchain network. By staking your cryptocurrency, you're essentially helping to validate transactions and secure the network. In return, you earn rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. How does staking work? To stake cryptocurrency, you typically need to hold a minimum amount of the currency in your wallet or on a staking platform. The specific amount required can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the staking platform you're using. Once you've staked your cryptocurrency, you'll start earning rewards for helping to validate transactions on the network. These rewards are typically paid out in the same cryptocurrency that you've staked. The amount of rewards you earn can vary depending on a number of factors, such as the amount of cryptocurrency you've staked, the length of time you've been staking, and the overall performance of the network. How to get rich staking cryptocurrency? While staking can be a great way to earn passive income, it's important to note that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Staking rewards can vary widely depending on a number of factors, and there's always the risk of losing your staked cryptocurrency if the network experiences a major disruption or security breach. That said, there are a few tips and tricks you can use to potentially increase your staking rewards and maximize your earning potential. Do your research. Before staking any cryptocurrency, do your due diligence and research the network you're staking on. Look for networks that have a strong track record of reliability and security, and that have a large and active community of users. Choose the right staking platform. There are many different staking platforms available, each with their own pros and cons. Look for platforms that offer low fees, high staking rewards, and a user-friendly interface. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider staking a variety of different cryptocurrencies to spread your risk and increase your chances of earning rewards. Hold for the long term. Staking rewards can compound over time, so it's important to hold your cryptocurrency for the long term to maximize your earning potential. Be patient. Staking is a long-term strategy, and it can take time to see significant returns. Don't get discouraged if your rewards are initially small. Focus on the long-term potential of staking and stick with it. Staking can be a great way to earn passive income and potentially profit from the booming world of cryptocurrency. However, it's important to approach staking with caution and do your due diligence before investing your hard-earned money. With the right strategy and a little bit of patience, staking can be a valuable addition to any cryptocurrency investor's portfolio. Biswap is one of the best platforms for staking. Here's what you need to know. Biswap is a decentralized staking platform built on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, that allows users to earn rewards by staking their cryptocurrency holdings. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to both experienced and novice cryptocurrency investors. One of the key features of Biswap is its automated market maker, AMM, protocol, which enables users to trade cryptocurrencies without the need for a centralized exchange. This means that users can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly on the platform, with transactions settled instantly and at a low cost. Another key feature of Biswap is its staking pools, which allow users to earn rewards by staking their cryptocurrency holdings. Users can choose from a variety of different staking pools, each with its own staking requirements, rewards, and risks. The rewards earned through staking are paid out in the form of the platform's native token, called Biswap. Biswap also offers a number of other features, including a liquidity provision program, which allows users to earn additional rewards by providing liquidity to the platform's liquidity pools, and a governance system, which enables users to participate in the decision-making process for the platform. One of the advantages of Biswap is its integration with the Binance Smart Chain, which provides users with fast and low-cost transactions, as well as access to a wide variety of other decentralized applications, DApps, and services. Biswap is a platform that is well worth considering for anyone looking to earn passive income through staking cryptocurrency. Staking has become a popular way for cryptocurrency investors to earn passive income and potentially profit from the growth of blockchain networks. Biswap is one of the best decentralized staking platforms built on the Binance Smart Chain that offers a variety of features and benefits for users looking to stake their cryptocurrency holdings. With its user-friendly interface, low fees, and potential for high staking rewards, Biswap is a platform that is worth checking out for anyone interested in staking cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned cryptocurrency investor or a newcomer to the space, Biswap offers a range of staking options and features that make it a valuable addition to any portfolio. If you're interested in learning more about Biswap or getting started with staking, be sure to check out the link in the description and explore the platform for yourself. With its potential for passive income and growth, staking is a strategy that every cryptocurrency investor should consider, and Biswap is an excellent platform to help you get started.